Hey guys, what's going on? Troy, a Mountain Man Treasure here, and it's time. I haven't been here for like 2 weeks. We gotta go to Goodwill. Pretty chewed up. Yeah, just shove me on out of the way.
Thank you.
Something. But it's missing the back part, so no good. Most cold stuff doesn't tend to do too well. Ooh, what do we got here? Cheap back. Nope. He's trying to go. We got him at $10. So he's cool. He retailed new for $70, but it's a little beat up, so we're gonna leave it. Look at this and look at this. These little figures, I don't know. They're cool, but this guy, though. $10 though. Eesh. There's no date. Oh, yeah. It's got a. His eyes try to light up. So I don't know, but the tag is 2016 sold, and you know it's tore up back here, so we're gonna leave it. So I've been striking out, but I think I might pick this up. This is clearly vintage, like a fleece blanket. United States Marines. This is cool. This might be a Christmas gift for somebody. I love this. We're gonna snag it. He's found something else. I haven't been filming because nobody wants to watch people sift through clothes. But these look pretty innocent, right? Just hanging here. But it's a Reebok CrossFit, okay? Now they're size medium, which is a bummer. But CrossFit stuff has always sold very, very well for me. So we're gonna pick these up. And guys, look, right next to those, we gotta check them out. But Prince, they make pretty high quality tennis stuff. So they've got a pair of shorts and I moved it. And then look, Woolrich shorts. I might have a little shorts haul here. Dropped it. It's probably not bad. I bet that'll sell for a few bucks. There's one here too. Margaritaville stuff. That does it well. Okay guys, we are back. Let me show you the haul. Starting off first with these movies. Point Break, classic movie. I never even saw the remake. I didn't want to ruin it. This is the only Point Break that there needs to ever have been. Patrick Swayze, Keanu Reeves. This is still new and sealed. So this is not big money here, but this is probably a $10 plus shipping kind of pickup. So I like listing media, especially when it's new and sealed. It's 2 pictures. The listing takes seconds. So very, very easy money. And then this, guys, this has a lot going for it. So let me tell you a couple things here. One, Blu-ray, obviously, that's good, okay? Halloween is a great title to watch out for. People love Halloween. This is Halloween 6, actually, The Curse of Michael Myers. So Halloween, keep an eye out for that. Okay, unrated. Keep an eye out for unrated. Unrated is often very, very good in terms of resale. Producer's cut, again, very, very good in terms of resale. So this checks a lot of boxes. It's Halloween. Horror in general. Often the schlocky horror, but check horror in general. It often does very, very well. The other thing going for this, and this is just something you'd have to know or find out when you look up, this is out of print. And this is a relatively rare Blu-ray. New, this could go for about 50 bucks, believe it or not. Even used, and this is in great condition. The disc is really, really clean. So in this condition, I mean, there we go right there. Super clean. This ought to go. I will not be surprised. I'll price this a little bit low and lower than others out there. Would not be surprised for this to go for about 30 bucks. This is going to be a really, really good pickup. All right, so here is the rest of it, guys. And this is not bad on a day where I thought I was going to get skunked. I was not finding anything. We got a Carhartt snapback. I don't know, but Carhartt sells very, very well for me. In terms of value, I would guess this is a $10 or $15 hat. I got to do comps still on all this stuff. But yeah, Carhartt always does very well, and I love the look. So we did pick this up. The hats are $1.99. Now, we got out of there with everything for 40 bucks. We're going to make that, or a big chunk of that, off of that one movie. Really, both of them together probably pays it off. Margaritaville stuff, as I said in the store, does sell very well. So Margaritaville, Cozumel, I would guess, again, probably a $15 hat, and I would guess that this moves relatively quickly. So those things are cool. I love listing hats. Now, how about this Tommy Hilfiger shirt? It is Tommy Hilfiger denim. It's a medium, which is not a great size, and it does have these little deals right here. Weirdly, it's on both sides. So, you know, there are flaws, but for $1, what is it, $1.99, I think, for shirts now, I thought, you know what, I'm going to take a chance on it just because, I mean, the look is really, really cool. So, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think. I don't know the value on it either. I don't know. but I have a feeling that if I put it up, it's going to sell. So that is why I picked that up. I guess now we got trunks. I didn't put all the shirts together. So these are the Woolrich. I had no idea that Woolrich made women's nylon shorts. Who knew? But cool color. I would guess vintage here. I mean, it's not made in the USA. It's made in Thailand. But I don't know. I would guess maybe these are 90s. What are they worth? No idea. But it's Woolrich, and Woolrich sells. So I did pick those up. These are so bright. These are prints. And look at this. The people before they donated them, well, there it is. They got them dry cleaned. So, you know, if you're dry cleaning your nylon shorts, they're worth something. Prints make some pretty good stuff. So I picked these up. They're in very, very nice shape. I think they're going to do well. And then these, like I said, CrossFit. It got a little bit of cracking, but actually it's kind of cool. It's the cool cracking. And so I've never had a CrossFit item that didn't sell and didn't sell relatively quickly. So I think we'll do fine with these as well. And then we got a couple shirts. My buddy Jeff stopped in, the Thrifty Preacher. You've seen him before. He didn't pick up anything today. And he said, hey, I found these if you want them. Yeah, I want them. These are CC Filson. I've never found Filson, and I guess that's still with an asterisk because I didn't find these. Jeff did, and he gave them to me. Jeff, I don't know why you passed on these, my friend, but thank you for handing them off. He said he had a lot of clothes to deal with already. So CC Filson, this is a women's extra large. Men's would be better, but it's just a nice button-up short sleeve extra large CC Filson. So I would guess that this is like a $30 shirt or so, even used, just because of the brand. And there's another one, CC Filson. So this one a little bit of a blue. I think these are going to do very, very well. And then I did pick this up. My guess is there's probably no comps. I'm going to have to take a best guess on this thing. I'll look on Terapeak and I'll look around and see. It's not in perfect shape. I mean, you can see it's got pilling all over, but it's not bad. It's a vintage fleece blanket. I don't know. I just had a gut feeling that with the graphic, with the subject matter, and fourth quarter getting ready to kick off here in a couple of days, this feels like a gift for somebody. This feels like a gift from a grandparent to a grandson who is a Marine. That's the story I had in my head, and that's why I got it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you have picked it up? Should I have picked it up? And what do you think it's worth? So there you go. It's a Goodwill haul. I hadn't been in a while. Like I said, I started out and I was pretty disappointed by the start, but pretty happy by the finish. I think we definitely made some money. I appreciate you guys riding along with us today. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe. We're pushing towards 1,600 subscribers now, which is awesome. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed. I can't believe that we've grown this much in a year. It's so cool. So thank you so much for watching, for subscribing and commenting and do all the things that you do. And we're going to see you next time. Bye, guys.